In this quick guide, we will cover how to rotate your iPhone screen without any hassle. For the information, we can only turn on and off orientation lock from the control center, not from anywhere else. On your iPhone, open the control center from the top right corner. If your control center is default, then orientation lock shortcut will appear at this position. But if you are not showing it here, then first add screen orientation lock in the control center. Tap on the plus to add a new control and then tap Add a control from the bottom of the control center screen. Search for the orientation lock and tap to add it to the control center. Once you add, we can change the location by dragging and dropping to a target area. We can resize the screen lock by dragging it from the corner like this. If the shortcut is highlighted, means your screen locked and can't rotate the screen. If it's not selected, it means the screen is rotatable. You can see on my screen. Suppose some apps and games don't allow or not compatible with the screen orientation location with the screen rotation, then I recommend to contact app developer for a specific app query. Check the link given in the video description for a contact app developer. If you have any questions and issues, then comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe to get the new tech guide for free.